Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today I am just going to tell you the exercise 16C in percentage. But before that, I would like to tell you some important things like the difference in value, increased percentage and decreased percentage. Now what is the difference in value? Suppose two numbers 20 and 25 are there. So the gap between two numbers is called the difference in value. Got it? Like whenever we subtract the smaller value, whenever we have to find the difference in value, so we always subtract the smaller value by the greater value. In every case, whenever we have to find the difference in value, so we have got the 5. So this is the difference between the 20 and 25. It doesn't matter that 20 is given first and 25 is given later. It doesn't matter. We always have to subtract the smaller value by the greater value. Okay, and these value may be the price, cost and whatever is there. Now increased percentage and decreased percentage. Increased percentage is equal to difference in value, as I told you. We will put the value here, okay, and divided by the original value, multiply by 100, and same in decreased value. Now what is the original value? Suppose the cost of a ball is 20 rupees in starting and it is increased by 25 later. So the price and the cost and the value which was set in beginning, it is called the original price, cost and value. Means जो प्राइस पहले होता है, किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट का जो प्राइस पहले सेट किया जाता है वो उसका ओरिजिनल कॉस्ट, ओरिजिनल वैल्यू कहलाती है. ओके, और ये फाइनल कॉस्ट हो गई. गॉट इट? सेम हियर, decreased percentage is equal to difference in value upon the original value into 100. Now we will start the exercise 16C. The first question of this exercise is saying the price of the rice rises from 30 to 36 rupees per kg. Find the percentage rise in the price of the rice. So as I told you that the price that was set in the beginning is called the original price, and the price of the राइस का जो पहले प्राइस था वो 30 रुपीज पर केजी था, जो बाद में 36 हो गया. तो ओरिजिनल प्राइस इज इक्वल टू 30 रुपीज. ओके, एंड इंक्रीज प्राइस 36 रुपीज. गॉट इट? सो वी हैव टू फाइंड द इंक्रीज परसेंटेज. सो इंक्रीज percentage is equal to difference in price. We are writing here price because we are talking about the price. Formula will vary question to question. Okay, it depends on the question and upon the original price multiplied by the 100. Now the difference in value, difference in price, I told you we always subtract the smaller value by the greater value. So it will be the 36 minus 30 upon original 30. जो पहला प्राइस था, the first price is the 30 and multiplied by the 100. So you will get the 6 upon 30 multiplied by the 100. 6 5 is the 30 and 5 2 is the 20. Means 20% price was increased. Got it? Now the second question. The population of a small locality was 4,000 in 1979 and 4,500 in 1981. By what percent had the population increased? We have to find the increased population. This is the question number 2. So population in 1979, it was 4,000. Okay, and population in 1981, 4,500. We have to find the increased population is equal to difference in population upon population in 1979 multiply by 100. Okay, difference in population upon population in 1979. The population in the 1979 is the original population. Okay, so we will subtract, we will find the difference, and to find the difference we always subtract the smaller value, means 4000 by the 4500. And what was the original population? In starting it was the 4000, and now multiply by the 100. So you will get the 500 upon 4000 multiply by 100. Okay, so it will be 20 to 20 will be cut, and 5 8 and 8, when you will divide the 100 by the 8 you will get the 12.5 12.5%. Okay, so this is the answer. So increased population in that locality is the 12.5%. Got it? Now after that, question number 4 I am just going to tell you. Find the resulting quantity when, it is a very simple question. This is the question number 4. First part of question number 4. Rupees 400 decreased by 8%. As I told you that everything is 100% in itself, so here 400 rupees is 100% in itself. When it is decreased or subtracted by the 8%, it means the value of the 400 will remain up to 92%. So we will find the 92% of the 400 rupees. So it will be the 100 minus 8%, means 92%. So 92% of 400 will be 92 upon 100. As I told you, when we will remove the percentage sign, we will write the 100 as a denominator, and of means multiplication, and 400. Okay, 100 4 the 400. Now we will multiply 4 into 92. 4 2 the 8 and 4 9 the 36. This is the answer. Okay. Now after that, the second part of this question is exactly same. Here you have to find the 25 kilometer is increased by 5%. So you will write the 25 kilometer increased by 5% will be 100 plus 5% is equal to 105%. So you will find the 105% of the 25 kilometer. Okay, and you will get the answer.
Now the question number 5 I am going to tell you. The population of a village decreased by the 12% and the original population is given the 25,000. What will be the population after decrease? So this is the question number 5. Population is given, that is the 25,000, and population decreased by 12% will be 100 minus 12%. As I told you that everything is the 100% in itself. Okay, so 25%, the population of the village is the 100%, and it is decreased by 12%. So we will subtract the 12% and we will get the current or at present population, that is the 88% of the village. So we will find 88% of the 25%. So current means the at present population. Current population is equal to 88% of 25,000. When you solve it, so you will get the 88 upon 100 multiplied by 25,000. 20 will be cut, and it will be the 25 and 8. 22,000 is the current population of that village. So this is the answer. Now after that, the question number 8 I am just going to tell you. In an election, there are a total 80,000 voters and 2 candidates, A and B. 80% of the voters go to polls, and out of which 60% vote for A. How many votes does B get? Question number 8. Total bottles 80,000. Okay, and out of 80,000, 80% boats were pulled. So, pulled boats is equal to 80% of 80,000. So, it will be the 80 upon 100 into 80,000. 20 will be cut, and it will be the 64,000. Means 64 people cast their boat. Okay, and out of 64,000, 60% boat got by the A candidate. Got it? So, because A got 60% of total pulled boat. Okay, A got the 60% of total pulled boat. Therefore, number of boats got by B is equal to 100 minus 60% of total pulled boat. Okay, it is 64,000. Now we will solve it. We will get the 40% of 64,000. Now we will solve. It will be the 40 upon 100 multiplied by 64,000. 20 will be cut, and now we will multiply 40 into 640. So 4 4s are 60, 1 carry, and 4 6 are 24, and 24 and 1 25, and 2 zeros. So it will be 25,600 boat. So 25,600 boat is the total boat got by the B. Number of total boat got by the B. After that, question number 9, I am just going to tell you the 70% of body weight is made up of water. Find the weight of water in a body of a person whose weight is 56 kg. This is the question number 9. Percentage of water in a body is 70%, and weight of body, because weight of body is given that is the 56 kg. So quantity of water in 56 kg of body is equal to, we will find the 70% of the 56. 70% of 56. So it will be the 70 upon 100 of his multiplication and 56. Okay. So you will solve it. 1 0 will be cut, and now you multiply 7 6 are 42, and 4 will be carried, and 7 5 are 30, 5 and 4 39, and divided by 10, so it will be the 39.2 kg. Water will be there in 56 kg of body. Got it? So these were some questions which I told you in this exercise. The rest of the question you will do on your own. I will share you some questions which you will need to do in the fail copy. Till then, you just keep practicing. Thank you.